See that? Whatever that is. Is that a radio? Is that a radio? I don't know, but I'm going to show you how to take it apart. And it's 2020 Ford Escape. And you cannot pull this out until you get this guy out. And to get this guy out, you got to get this guy out. Now with this wonderful handy dandy tool that you got to get, I went up under here and pulled this guy and popped them out. Alright, I already did it. Those are the two clips that hold it in place. Throw it up right up on the dash. Now, 1, 2, 3, 7 mils. I already took them out. My handy dandy drill and a 7 mil. This puppy you can pull out and just lay up on the dash. Or remove it. You want to remove it, clips right there and this pops out. Alright. 2 more screws. 1, 2. Those are also 7 mils and I threw them down there somewhere. These puppies right here. 2 of them. Whee! And then you pull this. And this guy, the rest of this comes off with my handy dandy tool that is up here. Came up underneath and started it and pulled and pulled. Pried from behind it, pried from behind it. Watch this thing. This one went flying. I actually was lucky enough to catch it. You see? This all comes out. See? All clips. Clip, 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 clip. Just gotta get behind them. And then unplug this guy. Why? Who knows? What's it for? Who cares? But that is technically the radio. Now, we're going to move on to the speedometer because I'm going to continue on removing. We took this out already. And this puppy sits right here. Let's go put all this back and pretend none of this happened. Right? We'll pretend none of this happened. So, let's pause this, get this out of our way. See? Like nothing ever happened. So, I took this off because I got to catch power anyway. But let's leave that. We're going to pull this guy up. It looks like you have to take the bottom off, but you don't technically have to. This will pop up, okay? Pop up out of the way. So you got a clip there and a clip there. But I just grabbed and pulled straight up, and it came off for me. So, that out of the way. We pop these 2 up out of the way. Now, indicative of Ford, they have wonderful, 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 terrible plastic. These puppies will come right out, revealing a 7 mil and a 7 mil. Put this guy out of your way. Put him down with the little latch. Get the steering wheel out of the way. You can get your drill in there. This one I think goes up. Get the drill on the bottom. This one goes down. Get the drill on top. Or use hand tools, whatever. And with that 7 mil out of the way, now we can pull this puppy out. All right, this trim panel. This wants to stay behind, but luckily to me, I have this tool, and I went up underneath it and pulled it out and pulled it out. All right, so the vent comes with. These popped out, just pop them back in. So when you put this back, I'm gonna get this guy up out of the way. There we go. Bye. Put him over here. I guess 2 more. Get those out of the way and get the speedometer out. And just like that, we have no speedometer. Here she is hanging. So, I think it's 1 clip. It's this puppy. Got 1 clip you squeeze and it pulls out. I'm not going to do it because the battery's still connected. We don't need it. And there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.